Menteri Rangbak Kejelam Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma ula pentip paidbah basyan onla ban plie paidbah no yaka Zoological Park lani ke State Zoo kebadan Umtrew haga distrik Ribhoi. Tang hadian bala ban penbit penbiang sakat tu kani ke jingtai ke bela pentikena ban pendap no hapo ki kat tu kani sngileng ba ketenat forest. Ya kini kejeng penmenau Conrad K Sangma ula penbenah hadian kejeng net jurip hidalade ya ke jingtai ke beladap syenah kani ke zoo kebela sedang bantai naduk kesenam arajar kat kendai. Hendrai namar kejinglen shop ke kelam COVID-19 keladon kejing hanglat ban pendap ya kejing tai. Hendrai la antat ru hadian kejing jurip Menteri Rangbak ban pendap no asyan ya kene ke zoo ke belamang kumbalai pesan keluar tam kejing lut baru. Habagran ginong tok kubor Menteri Rangbak Kejelam Meghalaya ula penpau bahak kene kejing jurip jengu kalong shisha ke bas nguhun. Ban ya saudong saukun jengene ke zoo ke bela jandap artat baru kejing tai bak kejing don kam. Haka bahadian kejing peliu jengmut bat ke officer ketenat forest lala ban penting kena ban plie paidbah no yakane ka zoo hapo ka khat santrek unailar arhajar arpulai Hashwa ke Jingrakhe ya kasing yo lai luit kari uletho bahakane ke zoo nuanra shibun gizet merat ke ban sawanra na keleng ke ban seri bat bo akane ke zoo ban penbernia ki dong ban jengok kai perthai ki khalong kena bat ke Rangbak. Namar nalor kimrat ahkane ke zoo an sawan ra ru yashibun ke jing penbernia ke ban ajing huni ki paidbah ke man kai da ke ban rap ru ba ke jing trekam ahkane ke zoo kan long bet kat kum ke jok ke bamenta. Halor kalat thungkam thungjam Conrad K Sangma ulong ba kene ke bentan IT hi hakatanat forest ban thungkam ladadan kambrio ki ban pet bat khmi ya kene ke zoo ban an sailat ru ki khon samla ki ban ki sap sengkam lajong ban sengkam Hagaba Menteri Rangbak ula dapru ban ajing mut ceki officer bagi nang penbit penbiang syok-syok hakane ke zoo kum kejing tau ya ki kenja krem bat ki ksat ki ban long kejing penina me kejing ruspa jong ngene kejela hakal yang kemai mariang.
And in the last 3-4 years the work has been going on. Of course there were numerous challenges that were there along the way, but I'm happy to see that we have progressed to this point. And after my review today I have been told that we expect the infrastructure to be ready within the next 45 days. That is within the month of July. So June and July we should be able to see the infrastructure being completed. And we are hoping that after all the clearances that are given from Government of India and the concerned authorities, we will be able to officially inaugurate the zoo with all the animals and all the infrastructure ready by August. So I'm hoping that before August 15th we're targeting. Of course we'll see how the progress goes, but a target date of before Independence Day, we're hopeful that this will start so that people from Independence Day onwards can actually visit this particular zoo. We also intend that this zoo should be run in a professional manner, so we will take necessary steps to examine the possibilities for that. We also want this particular zoo to have other activities that are related to, especially for children and for families, and hence we will examine. There's a very large area of 200 plus acres, almost 300 acres of land is there. So hence we intend to utilize it and maximize the utility of this place to the most. But of course, at the end of the day, we have to ensure that it runs well, it is managed well, and the animals are kept safe, and they're given all the facilities, and the children and the families and the visitors who come to visit this place enjoy it, and we make it as user-friendly and tourist-friendly as possible. We have animals out here, from black bears to to leopards, to clouded leopard. We have then the different kind of deers we'll be having out here, fox, hornbills. There'll be bird sanctuary. We also hope to have a small water body where we'll have different migratory birds also coming in. Hullock gibbons will be there. So like that, we'll be having as many animals that are indigenous to the state, and also we will try to get as we go on to the second phase and other phases. We hope that we'll be able to expand and we'll be able to get animals from outside also. Yes, the whole point was that, and the idea is to bring and keep them in a much better facility. The facilities that they're kept in right now are not as per standards that are there maintained at the national level and international level. These particular areas that have been made are as per the standards given by at the national level. So this project is a total 35 crore project, and till now we have done the first phase, which is approximately 21 plus crores. So in the second phase, another 14 plus minus crores will be done. But apart from that, as I said, apart from government investment, we are hopeful that once we create the necessary infrastructure, we will get private investment also going. So this project will be far bigger than the 35 crores that we have planned.